introduce myself. My name is Iken Ranita. I am as moderator and the presenter is Gita Molina. Our material today is a pedagogical approach to ICT integration in English language teaching. Gita Molina, time is yours.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, I would like to presentation about my material. My material is a pedagogical approach to ICT integration in English language teaching. First, what is pedagogical? Pedagogical is generic form of knowledge that is involved student learning, lesson plan, and student evaluation. And then we know in this century, technology will be the media to make learning in the classroom. In English language teaching in multimedia environment, will use the information, communication, and technology. And then this ICT a pedagogical tool. ICT as a pedagogical tool, there are two aspects of ICT as a pedagogical tool. First is ICT as used in the teaching English, and then ICT and then English teaching via information, communication, and technology. And then the purpose or reasoning for information, communication, technology integration. The first purpose is to make the students more interested in learning. We know if we use technology or media in the classroom, the students will be interested in our material, such as if we use projector maybe or speaker. My students will be interested for our material. And then the second reasoning is to promote and know about students' communication. If we use ICT integration in our classroom, our students will be communicative in the classroom, and we will know about the communicative skill of their communicative skill. And then the third reasoning is to make the knowledge of the students will be wide and make the student understanding about Western cultures. And then if we use technology such as internet, the students will be easy get the information about culture such as Western culture. And then the fourth reasoning is to improve teaching effect. The next is improve communication between teacher and student or student and teacher. So in the classroom, if we use technology, the student will be active and they will always give the feedback for us, and then to provide language environment. And the next is ICT traits. There are some ICT traits in pedagogical. The first is teachers' attitudes towards ICT integration in English language plus. And then It provides the teacher with a quick and accurate overview of the student's understanding. And then the threat is non-availability of software in market, which can adapt to the pedagogical tool. As we know, in this century, not all of the software of pedagogical tool is available in the market. And then the third is loss of speaking communication. We know if we always use the technology, there are will make the communication between us will be lost. And then how to overcome this threat? There are facts to remember if we to overcome the threats. The first is we remember the computer screen cannot substitute the blackboard, and then the PowerPoint cannot take the place of students' thinking and practice. And we know if we use PowerPoint, not all of the students will be understand what we talk about, and then the traditional teaching instruments and device should not be overlooked. The traditional device is not old, so we must use traditional device in this era. For example, in our university, we still use the whiteboard, right? And then the next to remember is multimedia technology should not be overused. And then machine can never replace man or the teacher. Together they can do wonders. We remember the machine cannot replace the people. And then teachers' excellence in interpretation and discussion can empower the learners. And next is teachers' instructional values have a strong impact on teaching and learning. And the last is we must remember instructors should keep ready with web learning material to overcome feeling of insecurity. Okay, that is my material about pedagogical approach to ICT integration. ICT integration in English language teaching. Okay, I think that's all for my explanation. I'm sorry for my mistake. Jelas saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this is Gita explanation about pedagogical approach to ICT integration in English language teaching. Pedagogical is a media, is a tool to make the student communicative in the classroom. Okay, I'm as moderator. So sorry for my mistake. And the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.